Yo, what's up my savages? My name's Issa Methel, and welcome to Would You Rather. Anyway, Would You Rather is basically a game where it gives you two scenarios, and you have to decide which one you want. So, like this one, would you rather work 10 hours a day, 4 days a week, or work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week? Okay, I would rather work 8 hours a day. That one, because then you get 3 days to yourself. Yeah! Alright, this one. Would you rather only speak in questions or only speak in movie clips? I don't know. Which one do I want? I'm going to choose only speak in questions. Would you rather be a spouse of a polygamist? Polygamist, I don't know what this is. Never have a relationship last longer than 2 years. I don't know which one to pick for that. Would you rather be attacked by 50 duck-sized horses? Be attacked by one horse-sized duck. That would hurt. That would hurt too. But a horse-sized duck has feathers and flippers. It wouldn't be able to hurt me very much for that one. Would you rather have blue skin or have red skin? Ooh, question. Blue. What the hell is blue? Red skin would just look like you got sunburn all the time. I'd rather have blue skin. That'd be cool. Blue skin would be cool. Alright. This one. Would you rather be a ghost or be a demon? Be a ghost. I don't want to be a demon. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Alright, would you rather be married to a Jersey Shore housemate or be married to a Real Housewife cast member? I don't know. Would you rather be a faster swimmer than Michael Phelps in his prime, be a faster sprinter than Usain Bolt in his prime? That one, please. Would that be neat? That'd be neat. Would you rather be a male police officer with a high-pitched voice, or be a male police officer with the appearance of an 8-year-old boy? That one. Because I could scream my victims into submission. Would you rather eat 50 celery sticks every day, eat 50 Brussels sprouts every day, celery sticks? Would you rather marry Demi Lovato or marry Selena Gomez? Yeah. Would you rather steal an elderly woman's purse or tell 10 orphans that Christmas is canceled? That'd be funny. That'd be pretty funny. Coffee's nasty. Would you rather have your hands switched for dustpans, be sweating jam instead of sweat? That'd be cool. Would you rather get $20,000 worth of jewelry or $10,000 worth of electronics? What? I could just sell that to get double that. That's so dumb. If I got $20,000 worth of jewelry, I could sell the $20,000 worth of jewelry to get $20,000 worth of electronics. That's so dumb. You people are idiots. Sell that to get double that. That's so dumb. Would you rather sport a keychain nipple ring or have a wardrobe that is made up of outfits worn by Scooby-Doo characters? I don't know. Which one would I have? That one, yeah. I don't know. Would you rather sleep in a tanning bed for a month, sleep in a small suitcase for a month? I don't know. Ouch. Wear nothing but jeans or wear nothing but shorts? Shorts, please. I'll take the shorts, please. Live in, would you rather, mansion in Beverly Hills, penthouse in Manhattan? Thank you very much. Would you rather only be able to teleport to places you've already been, or only be able to teleport to places you've never been before? I could only teleport to places I've never been before, that means that if I would eventually run out of places to teleport. That one. Because I would run out of places to teleport to. So. In Pokemon, would you rather pick the Helix Fossil or pick the Down Fossil? I don't know. Alright, I chose right. Yeah. Would you rather have a lisp or have a lazy eye? I don't know what the list is. Would you rather be a regular on a daily soap opera, make one-line cameos in 3 large Hollywood blockbusters each year? That one. I'll probably get paid more for that one. Would you rather magically flip genders every year, be forced to move and start fresh every year? Bring Elvis back to life, bring Tupac back to life. Live in the world of Dr. Seuss, live in the world of Star Trek. I'll probably die in that world. Have no fingers, have no ears. Be a superhero and hated by everyone. Have no arms or legs, but be loved by all. I'd rather do that one, please. Really fat, really hairy. Shave. Get a haircut. Live to be 120 and accomplish nothing notable. Live to be 50 and be well known for world-changing accomplishments. I don't want to be 120. That would suck. That would be so bad. Live to be 50. Please. Always know when people are lying. Always get away with lying. Ooh. I can always get away with lying. I could do so many things. I could take stuff and tell people I was told it's okay. Always get away with lying. Play a 10-day trial of World of Warcraft. Play RuneScape forever, even without the membership. Would you rather stand on red-hot, burning coals for 30 seconds without moving? Shut your hand in a waffle iron for 2 minutes. Yeah. The Australian, the American. America! Yeah! Chop off your own arm. Chop off a complete stranger's arm, but they come back to kill you in 30 years. It doesn't say that they'll actually succeed, it just says that they'll come back to try. So that one. Yeah. You're killed by your boyfriend or girlfriend, you're killed by your best friend. Ooh. That's a good one. So you're killed by your relationship or you're killed by your best friend. That is hard. That's tough. Live in a world where everything is written in Comic Sans, or live in a world where the only music that existed was "Call me maybe, hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe." That one. Eat a chocolate-covered turd. Ew. Eat a turd-covered chocolate. Ew. That's nasty. That is disgusting. A chocolate-covered turd. So when you think about it, the cover is just one layer. So a chocolate-covered turd would be one layer of chocolate and the rest is all turd. But the turd-covered chocolate is one layer of curd, and the rest is all chocolate. So I'll take that one, please. Be able to pop all of your pimples at once. Be able to crack all of your joints at once. What purpose does that serve? Wait, what purpose does this one serve? I can crack some joints. Perfect. Be John Lennon, be Paul McCartney. No, wait, John Lennon got... Crap. John Lennon got assassinated. I want to switch it. I meant to put that one. That was not my answer. That was wrong. It's wrong. I have no hands, have a naked fat guy stalking you at all times. Constantly stumble and walk and constantly startle. I already do that. I do that anyway. Punch a pilgrim. Eat an avocado. I want to punch a pilgrim, please. Eat a worm straight from the ground. Snatch a fly out of the air and eat it alive. Ooh. Oh, that's nasty. Drink milk for the rest of your life. Drink orange juice for the rest of your life. Milk. It could be chocolate milk. It doesn't specify what kind of milk. Take 3 shots of tobacco spit. Take 3 shots of dirty bong water. Ew. I don't know. Be chased by 100 rabid squirrels through a flat open plain. Go down a 200-foot slide completely made of ice head first with your shirt off. Ouch. That sounds fun, actually. That sounds pretty fun. I mean, it doesn't say that like there's any danger at the bottom. It could just be a gentle slope upwards that I stopped. So, you know. Hogwarts, please. Save 2 family members. Save 10,000 strangers. I'll go with that one. Be a world-class footballer. Be a world-class cricketer. What? Be a centaur, be a mermaid, man. Merman. Centaur. Yeah. Make out with your cousin, wear cut-off shorts your whole life, never taking them off. Maybe I have a hot cousin. I don't know. Don't judge me. Be black in a white neighborhood, be white in a black... No offense. Like, I don't mean any offense by that, but... No. Travel the world confined to a wheelchair. Spend your whole life in the same 200-mile radius. I don't want to be confined to a wheelchair. No offense to handicap. No offense. Wrestle an alligator. Wrestle a bear. More chance of survival. Be stung by 20 bees in random locations. Have each shin kicked hard 10 times. Ouch. I mean, it doesn't say all at once. Oh, it means like random places on your body. Alright, I know it means in random locations, like on your body, but I'm gonna find a loophole here and say that it's random locations in the world. So, I'm being stung by 20 bees in random locations around the world. So that would mean that it could be at any given time that I'm being stung, like throughout my lifetime. So I'll go with that one. Be near death, hear everything 2 minutes later. Live in ancient Greece, live in ancient Rome. Be a character in your favorite game. Be a member of your favorite... That one? Oh, please. Face Godzilla, face King Kong. Face King Kong, he's not as big. He's half the size. For a $2,000 reward, would you rather stay overnight in a haunted asylum, go on a scary but broken roller coaster? Overnight. I'll do that one. Because that one I could die. I guess that one I could die too, but I could like confine myself to a room in the closet. Hang out with Pooh Bear. Hang out with Baloo from Jungle Book. Oh, jeez. Have no eyebrows, have a unibrow. Would you rather wear a woolen bodysuit in the Sahara, wear a bikini in Antarctic? It doesn't say how long. It could be for like a second. Be forced to watch My Little Pony for 4 hours. My Little Pony, My Little Pony. Have the same theme song stuck in your head for the rest of your life. So dumb. Start every sentence with end quote if end quote. Oh, start every sentence with if. Or start every sentence with but. I can say like really softly. I can be like, did you know that this thing, whatever. But kill your daughter to save an entire country from a huge catastrophe. Be the cause of the catastrophe that it destroys a country. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Paying nothing but singles, paying nothing but hundreds. Ooh. That would get annoying, this one. That, I'd be like, make it rain, and it's like all hundreds. Booyah, shot. Continue studying PhD. Leave school to take the highest paying job. That one. It's fun. You're studying this to get that, but then you could just leave that to get that anyway. That's dumb. That's dumb. Go to prison for 5 years, watch every episode of Full House. That would waste a lot of my life. But if I just watch every episode of that, that would be done in probably about a week. But, yeah. Be trapped with a tame tiger. Be trapped with a rabid squirrel. If it's tamed, that means that it could be like a really cool guy. Really cool. Rhinoceros? No, that's fine. Thank you. I only have a first grade education. I live in a world where everyone else only has a first grade education. Now see, that would get really annoying. Would you rather stab yourself in the stomach with a 5-inch blade or cut off the tips of all your own fingers? I don't know, man. Have an average house in the middle of a city. Have a mansion miles away from civilization. That one, please. Use a spoon, use a... Ice Queen. Have a house made of sprawling underground rooms and tunnels. Have a small flying house. That would be so cool. That'd be cool. Take a cold shower every day. Take only hot showers just once every 2 weeks. Cold shower. Yeah. Prevent World War II and all the war-related deaths that went along with it, Holocaust included. Okay. Cure all forms of cancer and STDs, AIDS included. Ooh, that's a good one. You see, I don't want to sound bad or anything, but I feel like World War II made humanity stronger, and there's no real good way to answer this. Like, I feel like this one, I don't think it's good to like tinker around with the past. I really don't. But this one would like help the future. That one, that's all in the past now. And who knows, if that had never happened, life might be a ton different. So maybe it's best to just leave that alone. I know this sounds terrible, but that would help us in the future now, because a lot of people are getting that, and that's all stuck at one stagnant number. But this could build up over time. But that would just be that one time period. This is forever. So that one. Ooh, that was tough. Eat your favorite DVD in 20 minutes. Eat 100 tissues in 20 minutes. No, wait. Be allergic to babies, be allergic to elderly people. Okay, this is the last one. If you were offered the chance, would you rather get to meet a race of aliens but stay on Earth, or leave Earth forever and live with a race of aliens? This one. I'd rather do that one. Yeah. Alright, well, that's the last one. That's all for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to smash that like button with a sledgehammer. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep it lit. Deuces.